Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to learn how to boot Windows 7 in our flash memory. We will learn this. Watch the video until the end and you will learn how to boot it and install it on a computer. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if this content helps you. So let's go to the screen and do it. Before we start installing this ISO file on this laptop, I have to say our sponsor is the application, which the name of that is PGT Earn. You can watch the ads and earn money from it. So don't forget to install it. All of these things, all of the important things about that, I created a video of that. You can press on here and know more about this application and earn from it. Okay, let's go and jump to this laptop. Okay, I press and it is my flash memory drive. Okay, is this? We need an application which is called rufus. Okay, if you have it, you can do these things. If you don't have it, you just need to do this. Let me open an incognito window. I search rufus. Why these things appear? I don't know. The crossbox. I'm not a robot, man. I agree. Okay, the first link, rufus create bootable USB drives the easy way. Okay, if you want to download rufus. It is a portable file and it's the file that the new version of that, which the last update is in this time. Okay, you download this, or even you will see this video after a year or other things. You need to just download the new version of that. Nothing changes. If you see this video after, for example, some years, nothing changes. You just need to download the new versions, which it will be appearing here, or if it does not appear, you just need to download the new version. Okay, download it, and it don't have any installation and other things. It will like this. You will download, and when you click it, this window appear. Okay, this is my flash memory. This app detects it, and on the boot selection, I press on select and I will select my Windows ISO file, apps, Windows 7 Enterprise. How much is it? 2 GB. Okay, it's good. I press on that. Okay, you have to check your system. The format of your hard drive is MBR or the GPT. You have to check this and then format your file. GPT is for the UEFI target system, UEFI, and the MBR for the BIOS, or you can install the MBR on the BIOS and the UEFI, but it will be better to install the GPT partition on the UEFI and install MBR on the BIOS first. And it is good on the general part. Okay, this is all of the things about that. I will select the boot ISO file. If you want, you can change the volume label and press on the start. I press on the start. It will set all of the things on this device will be destroyed. It will be deleted and you cannot recover it. It will say this. Okay, I press OK. I don't have anything to be destroyed. I press on the OK. It will be booting it. Or you may have a question how to download the Windows 7 ISO files. Okay, right now I'm going to the type download Windows, for example, 7 64-bit ISO file. Again, we will see these crosswise. Again, crosswise. Traffic lights. I'm not a robot. I swear to God. I personally agree. You'll see the other websites that have the ISO file. Also, you can download from them, but in this way, we will download it from the Microsoft. I searched on Microsoft, and it was an app. Okay, not Dutch. I wanted to see this website English. All of this seems good. On the search part, I type Windows 7. For example, SP1 or ISO 5. I type ISO. Windows 7 64-bit ISO download. I open it on a new tab, and this is the replies, and download Windows ISO file explorer, or I can say download Windows ISO downloader.exe. You have to press on the F12, or I can say you have to right click and press on inspect. Okay, and again on here you press on inspect and search it again. Download Windows 7 disk images. It means ISO files. So you have to download this with this way. Okay, we will open the second. Okay, this is the answers. This is the ISO. This is the ISO. This search part has the ISO. So I press on that. For example, Windows 7 Pro ISO download. I press on that. Windows 7 ISO files. When we open them, as you can see, this is the Windows 7, and it will talk about how to boot and other things, but you need to have the ISO file. Right now you are watching a tutorial that helps you to install the ISO. If you wanted to download the Windows 7 ISO file, I can put the link, the download links on this description. Let me open a text notepad. Let me open a notepad. Hurry up, man. I can do this for the description of this content and press Windows 7 ISO files, and for example number 1, number 2, then for example go to the Pro 1, 2, 32, 64, Home Edition, and R6. I'll put the links, the download links of each Windows versions on this video description. So if this content helps you, press on the like button. That laptop was broken and I'm going to install it on an HP laptop. This laptop boot setting, or I can say the boot part, is F10. So when I press on that, I press F10. F10 is the BIOS setup. Okay, we jump to the BIOS setup. I press on no, exit saving changes. On the, you will see all of the things of this laptop. Okay, the BIOS part that I show you is just the BIOS and the information of the laptop, and the USB boot part, or I can say the boot menu, is F9 on this HP laptop. As you can see, this is my flash drive. When I press on the enter, it will be open to install the Windows ISO. Press any keys. I press for example G. Windows is loading. So you make your Windows, or I can say you do all of the things correct, and you are going to install the Windows. So this is all of the things about it. If you wanted to know how to install it, follow these. I will create a video on the next time.